Yo, guys, how's it going? Shots, how's it going, bro? Welcome. Let me share my screen quickly. Let me get off this. Right, and I want to get up this trading combine because that's what we're going to be trading today. Okay, let's share this screen. Where are we? Yes, welcome, guys. Yeah, I thought I'd just come on and just trade NFP with you. How's everyone doing? Drop a comment if you're just tuning in, guys. Welcome. Yeah, Shots, I'm good, thanks. How are you? A little bit sick, but still not bad. Still not bad. So I've got this trading combine here. 50k, and I'm just gonna trade NFP with it, see what happens. I'm gonna let you guys decide as well if I should go long or go short. I'll start it in a minute. I've like I say, I've seen some people on TikTok doing it, and I think it's quite interesting, so why not? A little bit of fun on a Friday. Like I say, don't be taking the same trade as me. I'm doing this for entertainment and entertainment purposes only. But yeah, something to do whilst waiting for this news to pass. But yeah, I've literally been flicking through TikTok and I've seen like 2 or 3 people doing it, so I thought, why not? A bit of fun. Yeah, guys, let's see who's here. Drop a comment if you're tuning in. I'm buying 1 too, Ben. Nice. Obviously, don't trade it like this, but yeah, I'll get the poll out now. Let me put the poll out. Alright, guys, so I've just put the poll out now. Go and select what you think I should do, kind of. Either buy or sell on news. And like I say, we'll go into settings and we'll sort it all out. I don't mind the new dashboard. Yeah, I don't mind the new dashboard on Top Step. It's gonna get a little bit of getting used to, of course, but I don't think it's too bad. But I know what you mean. Getting used to something new, it's hard work. But yeah, nice one. Good to see what Gold wants to do. Right, guys, yeah, let me just get that out of the way. Sound. Alright, sweet. But yeah, like I say, we'll see what happens. Put your vote in, buy or sell, guys, what you think price is going to do, and I will trade in that direction. Okay? If we look to this here, guys, you can see 1:30, all this news. That's why I'm not trading. I'm only taking a little trade for fun on this Top Step account. So put your vote in, buy and sell, and when it hits 1:30, I will put the execution in. And if we hit TP, we hit TP. I'm obviously going to go on settings here and profit, I'm going to set to obviously 1,500. Okay. And risk is going to be 2,000. All right. So if it hits profit on news, I won't need to set a TP and stop loss. If it hits it, it's done. Like I say, you can like have it automatically done it, but I'm happy with this. This is my risk for this account. If I take a trade on it, it'll take me out at 1,500 profit, which is decent. So like I say, let's see what everyone wants me to do. Everyone's saying buy for NFP so far. Put your vote in, guys. Like I say, I want to get a few votes. I want to get a few votes so we can get a good number of what most people want. But most are saying buys right now. How many contracts as well? Do you think just max contracts are like 3 contracts or something? Like I said, this isn't me trading strategy. This is just, like I say, a bit of fun with gold. But gold right now, pre-NFP, very, very choppy. Overall targets, like I say, you're within like this sort of range here. I wouldn't be looking to do anything on gold until we broke out of here. Okay, so for me, buys back above this level here. You can see how many times you've actually come into it. You know, on the 30, it's a lot cleaner. So back above this level here on gold, then I'm going to start looking for them longs higher. And yeah, if NFP does push gold higher, it'll probably come and take all these highs out. Okay? And then for sells, the reason I do like sells is because you've got like 3 equal lows down here. So if it does, yeah, everyone's saying buy for NFP, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what the poll says after. But yeah, guys, welcome. We've got 18 in right now. Drop a comment if you're just tuning in. Let's see who's here. If you're coming in, if you're tuning in to see what we're seeing on gold, yeah, say hi. If you've got any questions, let me know. And yeah, enjoy the last stream of the week. Could see this pushing down into these lows. Hey up, Joe Paul, how's it going, bro? How's it going, mate? Welcome, welcome. Chat, does he? Chat GPT says bye. GPT. What did you send him a screenshot of the gold chart or something, Ben? Or did you just ask him, what do you think to NFP? That's interesting. Interesting. Has anybody taken any trades today, guys? Has anybody taken anything? I haven't taken anything today. This price action has been very choppy. Very, very choppy. Hopefully we can get like a 50k account halfway to pass. That'd be nice. I think it's confused. How come? Yeah, I think I prefer the like I say it looks like we're going to be buying. It does look like buys for NFP, but we'll see. We'll see. The poll, guys, if you haven't already put your vote in, put vote on the poll. Yeah, bro, send him a screenshot. Send him a screenshot of like the hourly. Da, 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 da. Yeah, rangy. Rangy day today on gold. Look at that. Sideways. Ooh. Sideways, sideways, and sideways. But reason being, like I say, look at this news that we've got. 1:30, 5 red folder news events. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Cheers for the new subs as well, guys. Appreciate everyone who's subscribing. Nice one. Yeah, we'll just stay on for NFP, trade this account with what people say for a bit of entertainment, and then we'll head off. I think it's better to me. It's better for me to trade and lose an account than anybody else. Put it that way. I don't care about losing a 50k. It's all good. Like, if we can get something out of it, and no one else trades it, and I blow it or pass it, whatever, it makes sense. Let's have a look at NQ. Yeah, look at NQ. It's done absolutely nothing. Nasdaq sideways. Look at this. No breakout whatsoever. Look, resistance, potential resistance. Nah, not worth it. Yeah, I know that live won't be as busy today because people aren't trading NFP. I do understand that. That's absolutely fine. But for those who are tuning in, welcome to everyone. Like I say, any questions, drop a question in. If you is anybody else trading today, or is everyone just chilling out? What 50k is it, Joe? Tell me it isn't instant funded. No, it's not. It's this 50k combine here. Just a 50k challenge. Like I say, I'm not trading now. I'm done for the week. It's been a great week, but like I say, yeah, I'm just trading this 50k here. Has anybody taken any trades today? Has anyone traded today at all? Yeah, I'd actually expect this to kind of like push further down into these lows. It wouldn't surprise me if it did. You know, something like this started pushing to the downside. That wouldn't surprise me. You know, we've taken these highs to push bullish, to push bearish. Now it's reflipping bearish. Only reason being is that 30 closed nice and bearish. You've got these double bottoms to the downside. Yeah, I'd expect these laws to get taken. It's just a fact, will it get taken before news? I don't know. Like I say, we've got 20 minutes before news, so we'll see. Yeah, guys, as well, if you can, please drop a like. Drop a like, subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, welcome to the stream. If you've got any questions, let me know. All good. Yeah, the only problem with this, like I say, is you'd be selling into this level of structure. You know, if you get a closure below this level on the 15 and 30, you're probably going to push lower. And yeah, you're probably going to even push lower, and you're probably going to smash these laws. You know, this is really the only place where gold could reverse from. That, and, you know, there's a little bit of structure here too. But I think once it clears that, it's going to push down. Just all based off that 30 closure, really. Bearishness to the downside. 4 hours bearish now. A lot of liquidity to push down into. It makes sense. It does make a lot of sense. 62s to 50s. 62. Yeah, 62 is a nice area to have sold from. I haven't taken a trade up there, but yeah. I think I would be looking to exit at these laws. These are very clear laws to get taken. It makes, like I said, like I've already said, it makes a lot of sense for price to push lower. But like I say, we'll see. Good position though. You've entered at a good place. Not that it sets up to my strategy, but if it sets up to yours, I mean, how many ticks is that? Like 120 ticks? Beautiful. Yeah, cheers for lights, guys. Can we? I know it's NFP and not many people are tuning in today. Most people aren't even on the charts looking at them, but drop a like as well if you are tuning in. And make sure to put a vote in. Make sure to put a vote in on what you think, buy or sell for NFP. Because I will be trading a combine on that, alright? Yeah, I think it makes sense for these laws to get taken now. I think when price pushes into here, that's like a good break-even point. So risk can be managed based on that 30-minute entry there. And then for this to continue pushing down. But yeah, the overall idea is for these laws to get taken down here. But like I already mentioned, you are coming into a decent level of structure here now. So if you're doing what makes sense, this makes sense to, you know, manage your risk now. How many ticks did that push? Like 25? Not many, but... What are you trading, shots? What account are you trading? This was a very nice 30-minute flip. Like I say, you're struggling here right now. You are struggling right here on gold. So it is 50-50 whether it's going to bounce and push higher or continue lower. But like I say, if you got your entry up here or a 30-minute entry here, then You'd be managing you're managing anyway. It looks like we're buying on this account. It does look like we're buying on this account. Guys, put in the chat how many contracts should I buy with NFP in 14 minutes? Just put a number, how many contracts. I can trade up to 5. So just put in what you think. What's the 30 saying? Yeah, 30's rejecting that level like we said here. Look, wit rejection, coming back in, wit rejection. Ben, no more than 5. Five's boring, I think, because it's like in and out in seconds. It's like you want a little bit of something, maybe like 4. What are you thinking? I think 4 maybe. Maybe like 4. But make sure you put your vote in for what you want me to do. I think it is going to be buys with how many people have said buy. But we'll see. It'd be interesting. Yeah, so if you did enter sells on that short there, you'd be break even. It wasn't a bad entry, to be fair. Just like I say, it was risky being with all this structure here, but break even for sure. Cheers for lights, guys. Nice one. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Think it'll flip down, take them laws, and then go up. Yeah, Darren, I agree. I think these laws here are too clear not to get taken. That's what's making me think this green candle's a bit of a fake move for it then to push down NFP. That's why I'm not liking this poll. This poll's saying buys. I think NFP is going to push down. Like I say, you've got time to put your vote in, guys, if you haven't already, and that, but it's currently for the buyers. But what you tend to see on any big news like today, you tend to see a fake push to the upside or downside like this look. What are people doing when they see this like push? They start buying. And then what does price do? It pushes down and takes the liquidity. That's how news a lot of the time plays out. This is just a fake move. Get people into the market to then push down. All right. Probs do both, up and down. What I'm going to do is whatever... I'm literally going to market execute like a few seconds before. I'm going to market execute it like... we'll do 4 contracts. It's currently 71% for the buyers. So like I say, if you wanna watch me sell, you need to be changing to sell, or you want to be pressing buy. Would it be interesting? We're gonna try and blow this. Well, not blow it, but we're gonna trade it correctly. And about, let's say 30 seconds before, I'll put it in. We're new. I'm a news trader right now. I'm a news trader. Not 30 closed nice and bearish, but like I said, this is just news, pre-news, really. I'm gonna close the poll, guys. The poll is gonna be closed in 4 minutes. Okay. 14 votes. Yeah, guys, 14 votes. Like I say, it would be good if we could get to 20 votes. If we got to 20, that would be perfect. But like I say, we'll see. We'll see. But we've got NFP in 8 minutes. I'm going to close the poll in 3. And I'll execute the position maybe a minute before. All right? So, get in. Are you using a stop loss? No, I've got it all set up here. It'll take me out for either 1.5k profit or 2k loss. Let it take that liquidity, then buy, mate. I would love to do that. I would love to do that, Gary, but with this bit of, well, with this I can't. I'll be just executing whatever the poll says. Can you put the poll back up, mate? It's up now, bro. Yeah, it's up now. It's 31% for sells, 69% for buys. It is up. So if it is there, make sure you put your vote on, and I'll be executing this. Like I say, it's got a minute and a half. But it looks like I'm going to be buying. I really wish the poll said sells, because I would want to be selling into these laws. Because I think what price might do is push into these laws before pushing higher. I don't think it would just do this, but we'll see. You know, even though it is news and you still have figures, you still have liquidity grabs that take place in news. You know, you might have bullish news for for gold, but first it'll push down, liquidate, and then push higher. It's the same. The market moves the same. But yeah, what we're going to do is I'm going to end the poll in a minute, and I'll execute on here in a second. Right, guys, we may as well just end it there, because it's like 70% to 30. So what we're going to do, we can see 18 votes, 66% say buy. We've had 18 votes. Let's just start. We're on gold contract here. I'm going to start buying in a second. I'll every minute up to NFP, I'll add another contract, okay? So at 26, I'll add a contract, and then I'll add another 2 or 3 up into that news, all right? Right, let's go. Market buy. Basically, gold's coming into a nice level here. I think this is just a fake move to push higher. But guys, can I say something? By the way, this is just me playing around. This isn't serious trading, but we'll see. Order filled. Right, number 1's in. What would stops be? Like 2k? Be like, yeah, it's good. Stops are gonna be like here or something where the liquidity is. Yo, Lee, how's it going, mate? Welcome. I don't even need the stop loss in, to be honest. Watch this crush TP. What I am going to do, though, I am going to set a TP because I don't want, maybe like here. I don't want to like go so far over and it doesn't initiate, like take it off. Right, I'm going to add another here. Bang. Right, let's see what NFP wants to do. So we've got, where would loss be? Loss would be like down here. Hopefully it doesn't take me out pre-NFP. That wouldn't be fun. Like, I'd like the figures to come out, because if not, I just reset it quickly if I can. And yeah, we've got 2 minutes. I'll put another one in a minute. So I've got 3 contracts running then. Maybe just put a limit here. Yeah, sounds good to me. Should come and push into there. Watch news just go bam, straight down. By the way, guys, this is just me news trading for the stream. This isn't anything serious, so don't take it seriously. I'm not actually taking this position on any other account. This is just a combine challenge. Just to watch NFP. Like I say, if you watch me do something with an account which isn't good, then all good. Just chill, relax, and watch this play out. And, okay, we've got 30 seconds. I'm going to put the buy limit up here. See if it'll execute me. Oh. See if it wants to execute me in. Right, we're in. We've got 3 contracts running here, and obviously stops are going to be here. TP is here. NFP in 10 seconds. I should have just used like 2 contracts, to be honest. But we'll see. I just want to make sure that I get a trade in before it absolutely flies or whatever. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Wow, it saved me. I've got money left. I knew them highs. Let's go. We've got money left. We could get saved here. How much have we got drawdown? Like 700? We'll go for a 1-to-1 for now. See if we can get out of this. Yeah, that liquidity got smashed. Got smoked. Yeah, I'm doing my thing. Yeah, I'm doing my thing. Yeah, this is going to be out, like, very shortly. Like, here. Yeah, that was the poll's decision. That was the poll's decision, what I did then. Let's see if this wants to push up. All right, we've got 2.5k to play with. That actually slipped me the correct way, kind of. But we'll go again in a second. What have we got? 5 minutes. It actually saved me, like, it hit stop loss and it saved me quite decent there. Right, let's go market buy in 3, 2, 1. Bang. Okay, we're in. Stop loss is going to be 2.5k, obviously. TP is going to be maybe like here. Let's see. All right, bang, we're up. Look at this. 700 up. We need 700 to pass this. Guys, get in the comments. Get in the comments. Buy, sell. Okay, if the first buy or sell, I've got 750 to pass this. Well, to go halfway. Put in the comments what you want me to do next. If you want me to see me. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is gold. This is gold, yeah. Right, let's do... What have we got? Bang. I haven't got much buffer on this to be using 5, to be honest with you. This is just proper tick scalping. I don't like doing this. But yeah, I'm probably just going to leave it there. 1.2k up on this. Yeah, I'm probably just going to leave it there. I'm done with this account. It's up. It's up 1.2k-ish. I'll like I say, I tried to execute it, but it didn't let me. It actually saved me, to be honest with you. 1.5k, nice. Is it gold? Yes, Natalie. This is gold. Yeah, this is gold. Like I say, I was just trading it, seeing what NFP we're gonna do. Trade it on a combine. Gold took that liquidity and pushed higher. Exactly what we said. Look, we said gold was likely to come down, set these lows, and then push higher. It's done exactly that. Took the lows, closed bullish, now pushing higher. Nice. Yep, did exactly what we thought. 100%, Darren. You even called it yourself as well, mate. Yep, you even said yourself, it's going to push down, set them lows, and then push higher. That's the power of liquidity. The power of liquidity. Even now, look at the 5 minute. The 5 minutes just left these highs here to come and take. So I'd be very surprised if this didn't come and push up higher now. Yeah, guys, if you're just tuning in as well, make sure you drop a like on the video. I am going to head off in a second. I did just jump on to come and see what NFP we're doing. But like I say, we finished up this combine in profit. Basically halfway there. No point in touching it now, but yeah. And yeah, I'll be back Monday now. I'll be back on Monday, okay? Yeah, cheers for tuning in, everyone. Like I say, I only came on just to see what NFP did with everybody, but no trading for me now on gold. I'm going to be back on Monday, back fully with the lives as well. So yeah, good to see everybody come on, tune in. It's good to see everyone here. Discord members will stay active in the chats, in the gold chat and in the market chats, or in the NAS chat, whatever. And maybe we can have a look into something, but I'm just going to let news do its thing for 30 or 40 minutes, okay? Come back in 30 minutes and let news do its thing, and then see if there's any entries that's going to present themselves, okay? But yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Have a great weekend, everyone, and trade safe, okay? Trade safe, have a great weekend, and yeah, maybe we can jump on Sunday on a Zoom. Discord members, community members, maybe we can jump on a Zoom on Sunday, if I'm feeling better, that is. Alright? But yeah, anyway, trade safe, let gold do its thing for 30 or 40 minutes, and see you Monday, okay? Bye-bye, everyone.